Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Today's a sad day for me because yesterday one of my best caravan buddies passed away, and that's Ian Gray from Love Caravans. Claire was by his side when he left the world, and I am really upset by the fact that he's passed. Now, I'm sure some of you who've watched his channel before know that he's been ill for quite a few years now, and Graham, the caravan vlogger, and myself have been keeping in touch with Claire and the family. She informed me that he passed away yesterday at 20 to 11. Now, if you knew Ian or you ever met him, you'll know that he was a lovable character. He'd do anything for you, and he was a really good laugh. He loved his caravan. He worshipped the ground that it walked on, and he would do anything to get away in his caravan and enjoy it. And Claire, between them, they used to crack me up. They were such a comedy duo for me. I loved them, absolutely loved them to bits. And I'm really devastated that Ian's gone. So here is a little montage of my little tribute to Ian Gray for the Love of Caravans.
Hi, I'm Ian.
Hi, I'm Claire.
Hi, I'm Ian.
And I'm Claire, hello.
And this is our channel for the Love of Caravans. Do you know what?